I'm gonna make a quick video on how to reset your Mercedes automatic windows, and you probably could do this to any vehicle. But whenever we was getting out the vehicle and we closed the door, it went back down about maybe a quarter inch, a half inch. It would not stay up. You see that little gap? But I'm gonna show you what we did to reset this. First, what you want to do is get in your vehicle and you want to start it up. And once you start it up, it depends on which window it is, and this right here is the driver's side. So what you're gonna do is just reach and grab that button, and you could bring it up and hold it up for about 10 seconds. As you can see, I'm holding it up for about 10 seconds. Keep it up right there. And once you finish that for 10 seconds, you can go all the way down and then come back up, or you can do this. You see, 1, 2. And you probably heard a little beep there, but that's it. That fixed the problem. It reset that automatic lock. So we're gonna go outside. I'm gonna let my wife walk out there and we're gonna video that. But some people say hold it 5 seconds, some say hold it 30 seconds, but I think 30 seconds is too long. You might blow a fuse. I think 5 to 10 seconds is good. And as you look at the window now, it is completely closed. It don't have that gap. So I'm gonna do the one touch and go down with it. And we're gonna bring it all the way back up, the one touch. And as you can see, it automatically closed. So when we open the door and shut it, it automatically closes. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.